In this video, I'll show you how to enable 120 Hz refresh rate on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. So if you're currently set to 60 and you'd like to switch it to 120, this is what you're going to do. You're going to open up settings and you're going to scroll and select display. Under display, select motion smoothness. And you can see here you have adaptive and you have standard. Now, if you're set to standard, it means that you will get a longer battery life, but it comes at the cost of you only running a 60 Hz refresh rate. If you want to increase that, you're going to select adaptive. This will increase the motion smoothness. It will also use up more battery, but you will get your 120 Hz refresh rate. Once you've selected adaptive, simply choose apply. And now your Galaxy Z TriFold will be running 120 Hz refresh rate. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.